What was the last impulse purchase you made, and when is it okay to make decisions on an impulse? This came up because last week on the way home from basketball practice, my daughter and I, we saw this cool green truck and we pulled over to look at it. We thought, wow, this thing would be really fun to own. We should buy it. And so we had a moment there together. We thought about it and it's not gonna be a good fit for us, but it got me thinking, when is it okay to act on these impulse decisions, right? Because these things come up. You wanna buy something cool. You wanna take that experience, the trip on a shorter timeline. You want to put the pool in now versus later because the kids can enjoy it. So all these things with shorter windows, how can you think through them? And I think there's a simple framework that we can use, right? And it comes down to this. First of all, will it improve your quality of life and your happiness levels? And will it be lasting? It can't just be this quick emotional boost that we get. Secondly, give it some time. I know it's an impulse decision, but give it a day or two, let it sit and see how you feel about it. So once you've kind of tackled the romanticism versus the practicality, from that standpoint, I think it's smart to actually look at the numbers, right? How is this going to impact your budget, your cash flow going forward, your future financial goals? Because you're going to have to give up something to get this one thing, right? Because there's always a trade-off. So we're always establishing priorities. So what are you going to have to give up? And is there a return on investment? Will this thing appreciate? Or is it just simply the better quality of life and the happiness you're going to get from whatever it is that we're looking to purchase? And lastly, we're talking about opportunity cost, but are there any alternatives, right? Is there anything else that would fit better that might be more efficient from a financial perspective? Is a longer time horizon actually an alternative? Because I think it comes down to this. You can have it all, you just can't have it all at the same time.